Mm-hmm. Damn.
Hey, sure.
Austin.
Yeah? Yeah.
Austin, you're getting yourself so annoyed. Try to be calm.
So.
Let me grab Dr. Johnson. Hang on.
Yeah.
Did you follow all those instructions so you know what to do? What? What are you singing? The doctor's going to come in and talk to you, okay? You're going to be calm? Hey. What? Oh, like 3 of me? There's 3 of me? Is that scary, having 3 of me? It's gauze. Okay, it's got to stay in there. I don't know. Austin, try and stop talking so you can relax your mouth, okay? What's the gauze for? Can you lay back? No.
In the back.
Yes, you're in the back. You're all done.
Oh, yeah.
How did it go? Did it hurt? What time is it? 9:30. That's all. You were only in there for like half an hour. What?
Yes, it's the mother.
I have no idea what you